All right, guys, as you can see right there behind me, the second piece of the puzzle has arrived. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Please handle with care. Fragile product inside. We obsess about our vehicles. Damn straight we do. All right, guys, the front lip has arrived. As you can see, the box is pretty huge. Pretty well packaged. Corner piece here kind of came undone, but what can you do? Let's go ahead and unbox this as we did the side skirts, so we can see what we got. You know, doing this one-handed and trying to film is never fun, but for you guys, we'll try and make it happen, right? Let's lay this bad boy down like this. Give you guys a better angle so you don't see just wobbliness while I take this out of the box. Oh yeah, look at that, nicely packaged. All right, let's see if there's anything else in the box before I go and toss this. Nope, nothing in here, so there's no hardware, which is fine. I will get some bolts and nuts from Home Depot for the install when that comes time to do that. You gotta be extra careful taking off this tape around these pieces so you don't cut into your carbon fiber piece. So let me put the camera down, not film, cut it open, and then we'll unwrap it. All right, guys, you ready to unwrap this? Because I sure am. I'm super excited to get this unwrapped and see what it looks like. So I got the tape off, nice and safe. Didn't cut into any pieces here. Very nicely packaged. All right, so that is the underside right there. Boom, okay. Let me lay this on the ground. All right, so let's come up in close and see what we got. So that's the side piece that's gonna stick out. All right, so we got one mounting hole right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 holes that we're gonna have to drill into this piece to get it securely mounted. But look at that, that looks like a pretty decent lip right here. Very sizable. I would say it's about an inch at this piece right here. Then it goes up a little bit towards the back here. I mean, very sturdy. I mean, for the price that I paid of the side skirts and this front lip, which was around, what was it, $580 for both pieces. I mean, that is a steal. You got beautiful carbon fiber. That's, sure, it's fake, it's probably Chinese, it's not the highest quality, but it's a part that could be easily damaged, and for me, this is gonna do the job just fine. It's gonna give that front end of the car that aggressive stance because it's gonna make it seem lower to the ground with this front lip, so that is super awesome. Guys, I have brought in the expert, Frenchie, to approve the product here. All right, Frenchie. Give it a little sniff. Hey, come here, buddy. Frenchie! Frenchie, no! Looks like Frenchie does not approve of the lip. He just walked away. Anyway, guys, this is it. This is the product. That was the unboxing of it. The bottom of it looks pretty decent also. So I am excited to get this bad boy mounted. As always, future videos, I am going to do the same thing I did with the side skirts, which is polish this up, remove that haze, although this one does not look as bad as the side skirts did. Doesn't look too hazy finish, so this is already a better finish. We will polish this up in the next video, and then the third video we're going to ceramic coat it to make sure it's protected and put it next to the wheels that are just sitting, and we're all waiting for spring. So if you're excited for spring just as I am, make sure you subscribe below, hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with the videos of the GSF finally getting out of the garage and onto the Chicago streets. See you on the next one.